everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel Sajid. In today's video I'll try to test the 65 watt of fast charging support test in the Poco F3 device. As you can see friends, so this is a Poco F3 smartphone which I am currently holding in my hand, as you can see, and the background is a 65 watt fast charger which is connected to the plug point, as you can clearly see here. So these are details for the charger, 65 watt, you can see friends, 65 watt fast charger. So this is from the OnePlus 8T smartphone. So let's see whether the 65 watt is actually supported for the Poco F3 or not. As you can see friends, right now I connected the 65 watt fast charger, but after connecting the 65 watt fast charger I'm getting only a quick charge, as you can see friends. So usually with a 33 watt fast charger, phone will be displaying in my turbo charge, if you do remember. So right now I'm getting only a quick charge symbol, that's it. And on the lock screen, let me try to show you. So let me try to open the screen, and as you can see friends, it says fast charging, as you can see here, fast charging 23%, you can clearly see here. And on the battery it says the time takes to full charge is 1 hour and 13 minutes. So right now the battery percentage is of 23%. So I think the 65 watt fast charger is not supported in this phone, in the Poco F3 device, but still I can try charging the phone, but usually it takes same time as like the 33 watt fast charging, which is close to 1 hour and 10 minutes of time. So that's it friends, this is a quick 65 watt support test in this Poco F3 device, and unfortunately we do get only the fast charging. Let me try to switch off and switch on. So you might be able to see again, as you can see, a quick charge, there is no turbo charge. So thank you friends for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.